As Ukrainian capital Kyiv prepared to celebrate the anniversary of its founding on Sunday, Russia unleashed multiple waves of airstrikes on Kyiv overnight in what the officials said appeared to be the largest drone attack on the city since the start of the war. Kyiv's mayor Vitaly Klitschko said that a man died when drone wreckage fell near a petrol station while a woman was injured. Ukraine's air forces said that it downed 52 out of the 54 Russia-launched drones, calling it a record attack. The 54 attack drones were launched from the regions of Bryansk and Krasnodar in Russia, said the Air Force, adding that 52 were destroyed. The pre-dawn attacks came on the last Sunday of May when the capital celebrates Kyiv Day, the anniversary of its official founding 1,541 years ago. The day is typically marked by street fairs, live concerts and special museum exhibitions, plans for which have been made this year too, but on a smaller scale. Today, the enemy decided to congratulate the people of Kyiv on Kyiv Day with the help of the deadly UAVs, that is unmanned aerial vehicles, Serhiy Popko, the head of Kyiv's military administration, said. Several districts of Kyiv, by far the largest Ukrainian city with a population of about 3 million, suffered in the overnight attacks, the officials added, including the historic Pekarsky neighborhood. With the Ukrainian counteroffensive looming 15 months into the war, Moscow has intensified missile and drone strikes this month after a lull of nearly 2 months, targeting military facilities and supplies. Waves of attacks now come several times a week. City officials said earlier on Sunday that defense systems downed at least 40 drones moving towards the capital, while Kyiv's military administration said that at least 2 people were injured in the attack on the city. The head of the local civil and military administration, Serhiy Popko, said Friday that there had been 13 attacks this month. Over the past few weeks, reports of drone attacks in Russia have also increased, usually in regions bordering Ukraine. Ukraine struck oil pipeline installations deep inside Russia on Saturday with a series of drone attacks, including on a station serving the Druzhba pipeline, while shelling from Ukraine killed at least 2. Moscow has blamed Kyiv and its Western supporters for the escalating number of attacks and sabotage operations, including on the Kremlin, but Ukraine has denied involvement.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.